What's up, y'all? This is Judeus back again for another sneaker unboxing. Before we get into it, I want to remind you guys to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out when you guys do that. So make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. I also want to remind you guys about my partnership with Into the AM. I'm actually wearing one of their shirts right now. This is the Geisha's Charm tee. I'll put the info in the comment section below. So to use my link and the discount code. The discount code is actually stackable, so you can use my code on top of any other discounts that that the site might have. So we can get right into what we are all here for. This is the unboxing of the Readymade Blazer Mids by Nike. I actually got these from Flight Club. I went to LA this past weekend. Saw a few stores sold this shoe, but they were really overpriced. One place I went to had it for $350. I was actually able to get these for a lot less at Flight Club, their store on Fairfax. So I actually was able to get these for $225 at Flight Club, which is a really good deal, slightly above what they sold for on retail, but still a very good deal. So right out of the box, excuse me, I wear a size 9. From what I understand, these Blazer mids fit true to size, so I got a size 9, which is what I usually wear. And what you see here, the packaging itself, really nice. It's got a distressed look on the Nike cover. It's got a cool graffiti design right on the side, and here it says notice no public use. Nike here. That graffiti and signage continues on the side, and Readymade on the side as well. So like I said, I got these from Flight Club on Fairfax. They didn't have it at the store, so I had to order it in the store, and they ordered it from their warehouse. So opening it right up, packaging itself, the wrapping paper has got this this print on here. It looks like trash, and from what I understand, these shoes were actually 15% made of recycled material. So I think that's pretty cool. I ended up going with the black version. And right out of the box, these look really good. So we have the Flight Club tag for verification purposes. Flight Club says, do not remove tag. This product has been Flight Club approved. Any claims made after its removal will not be honored. And it's got the flightclub.com website and their social handles. So right out of the box, this shoe looks so cool. A lot of you might notice the Nike logo. Looks weird, but this is actually the original Nike logo from 1971, I believe. So, I mean, someone can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But as you can see, the sneaker looks really cool. It's got a really unique look to it. It almost looks like an off-white style shoe. Alright, and then from what I understand, Readymade is a Japanese brand. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but we got the logo on the back, and then the Nike logos on the back, on the sides connect on the back. We have the pull tab right here. They heel area, or excuse me, the ankle area has this almost camouflage looking print, but it's not print. It's actually looks like a recycled material. As you can see, the stitching isn't completely done around the logo. It's done on both sides. See, the stitching stops right here. On the laces itself, we have 3 pairs of laces. We have one right here, another pair here, and this neon green pair of sneaker laces. If you guys can see that. Like I said, really unique shoe. I really liked how it looked. On the inside, let's see, we have these cardboard insoles, or these cardboard fillers. The cushioning itself doesn't feel very soft, but that's okay. I'm not sure if you can see the inside. Have the Readymade logo inside. Have the Nike on the tongue. And what really makes this cool is the soles are made out of recycled shoes. And what's cool is it matches my painting. And then the sole itself also has some pretty cool details. It looks like it's got layers to it. So it looks like it's kind of cascading on the heel. Again, like I said, this was a really unique shoe. Didn't really get a lot of hype on this, but like I said, we don't buy hype. I just really like how unique this looked. Here's that side, and then this side as well. So again, with the other shoe, here are both shoes side by side. Got the front toe caps, and then on the rest of the box, it looks like it comes with an extra pair of neon green laces. Other than that, what do you guys think of the shoe? I'm excited to wear this. So the info on the label says Readymade and Blazer Mid 2021. The colorway is black, vast gray, volt, total orange. And yeah, I'm excited to wear these. I'm excited to actually see what people think about this. I mean, the shoe was made in 2021, but again, not a lot of hype on this. But I'm excited to see what you guys think.